Hello and welcome. My name is Carsten Lützen. I'm an Agile coach and a Scrum Master. Today I will talk about something as tedious maybe or boring as pen nips or pen tips. So when we are drawing or when we are writing, how the different pen tips have an influence in how our font and how easy they are to write with. And my favorite one is this, which is a wedge tip. So like this, and it's probably a bit difficult to see, but when you write, if you hold it correctly with this one, you can place your fingers here at these black markers. So you hold it like this. Then when you write, it's easy to read and write in a rather bold, and also if you make like bigger fonts. So this is my go-to pen nib for writing. There are also situations where I need maybe some more even lines, because of the wedge tip here you can see you get this nice difference in line width, which looks really great when you're writing. But sometimes if you're drawing you want more even lines, and that is when this round brush nib comes into place, because then if I want to do just a simple head, the line is completely the same no matter where on the circle it is. Whereas if I make a circle with this one, you can see that the line width is thinner here and thicker here. And same if I do like this or like that. Okay, there we go, just to make it a bit more even. But you can also with the wedge nib, right, time it, but it requires some practice to get the thinner line. But with this, because it has this shape, right, we can easily make even lines and make these fine details. And also we can also write bigger, but it's maybe not as easy to read on the distance as with this more big font, bold font. Last one, it's this brush nib. Not necessarily that great for writing, simply because it has like a very fine tip here, and when you write you might have a tendency to push it against the paper, which in turn will ruin it over time. You can make it, you can write with it, but it might be a little bit difficult to write. But it's awesome for drawing, because you can make like you can change line width all the way to really fine line, or make lines like this, right? If you have something, for instance, a ball that is flying, or potato, or whatever this is, right? Then for drawing, these ones are really awesome. If you then want to go the extra length, then you have these ones, which are even finer, and a soft brush like this, where this is a black one, where you can again, oh, this is actually the highlighter, where you can make small details with this. So just to recap, my go-to whenever I write something on a flip chart is always a wedge tip, simply because it's easier to read on the distance. If I am to draw more precise things, I am using often the round nib, simply because it creates these uniform lines, so I can tweak it whenever format I want. And if I want to get really artistic, then the brush nib is where I go. I'm honestly interested in how are you using the different nib types and what is your favorite and why. So please leave a comment. That would be awesome. And as always, if you have just general comments, questions, ideas, or feedback to these videos, please just reach out. That would be awesome. And that's it. Have a super awesome day.